Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to fix Razer Cortex not opening. Let's go. Open Settings, Apps, find Razer Cortex, uninstall. Choose Repair or Uninstall. Choose Razer Cortex, uninstall. Open Razer Central, Apps, install Razer Cortex. That's it. Now you know how to fix Razer Cortex not opening. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.